Today in this video we shall discuss about the section formula of coordinate geometry. What is section formula? If a point divides a line segment joining the points x1 y1 and x2 y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2, then by section formula we are going to find the coordinate of this point P. Let the coordinate of this point h comma k. Okay, then we are going to find the value of h and k. To get these values, we draw perpendiculars AQ, PR and BS from the point A, P and B on x axis respectively. Again, from the point A, we draw perpendicular AM on PR, and from the point P, we draw perpendicular PN on BS. So, these two triangle BPN and triangle PAM, these two triangle are similar triangle, as this angle M equal to angle N equal to 90 degree. These two angles are corresponding angles equal, and similarly these two angles are corresponding. So, all the three angles are equal, that means these two triangle are similar triangle. As these two triangle are similar triangle, so their corresponding sides are proportional. That means PM by BN is equal to AM by PN equal to AP by BP. Now, what are these lengths? AM, that is equal to x1 minus h. Why x1 minus h? You see, from the origin OR, the length of OR it is h, and OQ is equal to x1. So, QR is equal to x1 minus h. Similarly, OS, that is equal to x2, and OR equal to h. So, this RS equal to x2 minus h, and similarly this AQ is y1 and PQ is k. So, PM is k minus y1, and here you see BS is equal to y2 and PR is equal to k. So, this BN is equal to BS minus PR, that is NS, that BS minus PR is equal to NS. So, that is y2 minus k. So, putting these lengths here in this relation, and by cross multiplication and changing the side, we got h equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and similarly k equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So, the coordinate of the point P, that is the point which divides this line segment in the ratio m1 is to m2, that is m1 x2, you see cross multiplication, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and similarly the ordinate will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Depending on the section formula, we can find the midpoint of a line segment. What is the coordinate of the midpoint of the line segment joining x1 y1 and x2 y2? As we know, the midpoint divides the line segment in the ratio 1 is to 1. So, 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 by 1 plus 1, that is 2, and 1 into y2 plus 1 into y1 by 1 plus 1, that is 2. So, ultimately the coordinate of the midpoint of the line segment joining x1 y1 and x2 y2, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Similarly, we can find the centroid of a triangle. What is centroid? The point of intersection of three medians of a triangle, that is known as centroid. We can get the coordinate of the centroid of a triangle using section formula. If the coordinate of 3 points, 3 vertices of the triangle are x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3, then the centroid will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. How? As D is the midpoint of AB here, so we know the coordinate of D, that is x1 plus x2 by 2. sum of the abscissa by 2 and sum of the ordinate by 2, that is y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay. Now this centroid, it divides this median in the ratio 2:1. Okay. So ultimately the coordinate of this centroid will be 2 into x1 plus x2 by 2 plus 1 into x3 by 2 plus 1, that is 3, and similarly 2 into y1 plus y2 by 2 into 1 into y3 by 2 plus 1, 3. So ultimately it will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. One problem is given, we have to find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining -2, 8 and 5, -4 in the ratio 3:4. So let the required point, the coordinate of the required point is h comma k. So what is h? H equal to 3 into 5 plus 4 into -2 by 3 plus 4. By calculating we will get 1, and the k will be 3 into -4 plus 4 into 8 by 3 plus 4, that is 20/7. So ultimately the coordinate of the point is 1, 20/7.